Hello and welcome back. Another short build update vlog. I've run into a problem and it's kind of a big one because I need to reorder parts. This piece of aluminium is too short. Also, by mistake, I have this slider and this slider assembly switched, and I wouldn't have noticed if I hadn't run into the problem that I can't get the motor mount and the lower idler for the Z-axis rod. I can't get them all in place because this slider here is longer than I anticipated, and even if I switch these two, which I'm going to have to do anyway because now I'm running out of space here. This should be 2 centimeters longer in that direction. It's all, well, I can get it fixed, but I can't get this single piece of aluminium profile to be longer, so I have to order a new one, and that might take some time, but maybe I'm lucky because the company where I'm getting these from is just 15 kilometers away from here, and maybe I can get them to give me a higher priority. Let's see about that. Now, what I did finish was the X-axis belt assembly is now done. Let's see if we can get this focused in a bit. It's quite nifty. I'm actually wrapping around another set of bearings, so I am all the way or really close to the slider, and I have good belt tension all the way through, and let's get over here, and I'm just wrapping this around 2 sets of bearings on this side, and I can get a lot of tension on here, so I'll have very little play, and the belt is very close to the slider, so I won't be having issues with backlash or anything else. And it's still really simple. It doesn't need a lot of parts. That would be really good. I went ahead and I 3D printed the idler. It's this part here. This is going to go down here, and it'll be fastened to the aluminium profile. I'm going to have to build something that makes this surface flat, because I don't want to change the way that the screws here are located, because this is really sturdy and it makes this thing just so much better. So when I have a longer Z-axis profile, that's gonna fall into place. I have the motor mount done, and that's it. That's steppers already in here. This here is the inside of the item profile. Should all be really good. The only thing that I forgot was I should have put a bit of profile in here, so this just snaps in place. I don't know why I forgot about that, but yeah, I suppose this will work, and for the next time round I can make a better part. This also goes into place really good. I can just show this here. Let's take that stepper out. So this just snaps on here. It's really sturdy. If I tighten this down, this is gonna easily hold the motor. I finally decided on placing the Z-axis motor up here, and it will just fall in place up here, and I can have all the weight of the Z-axis on one bearing that is going to be down here at the idler, and I'm going to take the threaded rod to the lathe and I'm going to cut it down to 5 millimeters so I can get it into a 5 millimeter inner diameter bearing, and that should be really good. That should really hold a lot of weight, and it should be backlash free, so everything's good. It's going to be located right in the middle of these two holes here, and it appears to be a good point because there's very good weight distribution here. So that's the point where I'm at. I'm waiting for parts. I'm also waiting for more sliders because I wanted to have all of the sliders in 47 millimeters, but I have an issue with the seller on Amazon right now. And well, not actually the seller on Amazon, it's Amazon themselves. The seller is offering 2 of these sliders for a very attractive price, and each and every time I order them, Amazon just sends me 1. And each and every time that I complain about it, that I only got 1 instead of 2, they don't want to send me a second one. They just tell me, well, send everything back, which is not really a solution to the problem at all. But that's just the way Amazon works, I suppose. Alright, that's where I'm at right now, and that's what I'm trying to do. I'm also trying to get a build area piece of acrylic, exactly 40 by 45 centimeters, that I can put on here, and I hope that that is going to happen soon. Might get here within the next few days. I'm still hoping. And when I've got that, I'm gonna grab a RAMPS 1.4 board and an Arduino and just start moving things around, and I'm really looking forward to that. So that's it for this episode. Thanks for watching, and bye.